He's not even a player.
Right.
There's a drive to right. Braun hits it well. Hayward is back at the wall, reaches up, and it's gone. Ryan Braun with a home run. Opposite field shot. Braun goes out, and the Brewers are within a run.
Just such a nice, pretty stroke, and Ryan Braun doesn't have to overswing to hit it out of the ballpark, even to right field. Bat speed at the point of contact. Braun able to get on top of it and line it out of there to right field.